Hi guys, it's your girl LT, and thank you guys again for stopping by my channel, Slay LT. And this is actually part 2 of the last New York and Company haul that I did. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll go ahead and in the comment box below, what I'll do is I'll link the other videos prior to this one on this haul that I did for the New York and Company. I'm just going to get right into the video. I'm not going to do a whole bunch of talking. This is actually me taking them out of the bag. If you haven't already seen the first video where I actually pulled them out of the original bag that they are delivered in, go ahead and check that out right quick. But this is just going to be a quick run through of the the garments. I don't know why I said devices that came. But let me show you guys this right quick. I got this shirt the other day because I thought it was like a cute color. I actually ordered this from Amazon Prime, and it says "Thou shalt not tempt me." Move 24/7, and I actually have a skirt that I bought that is gonna match that very, very well. And that is from Amazon again, Amazon Prime, and I think I spent. That shirt was either 19 or $17 if I'm not mistaken. But it's real cute. I really love the color, and the material is like that stretch sheer type material. So it's gonna probably go with a lot of different things, jeans, that sort of thing. But let me go ahead and start the New York and Company haul that I have. Okay, so the first piece of garment, you guys saw this the other day, but I'm actually pulling it out the bag. And this is a size large. This is cargo linen pants that I purchased. If you guys have seen the other video, I talked about how this one was size large. And if you guys haven't already, check out my weight loss journey. Basically, it's just describing why I'm purchasing a size down or a couple of sizes down from where I am right now. I have been losing weight. So far I've lost 22 pounds and my weight is drastically reducing. So I want to make sure that I do have clothes that are going to fit me. I don't want to buy big clothes if I'm not going to be able to fit it in a couple of months. But this is the leopard print cargo linen pants. It does have a little stretch to it. It's not too much of a stretch, but it is a little stretch to it, but it's more like a linen pants. And as you can see, it does have the cargo pockets on the side and also have the cuffs at the end. So these, you can actually wear these with you can actually wear these with sneakers, but I probably would wear these with heels or sandals. It's super, super cute. And the material is light, so it's not like that heavy linen material. But definitely looking forward to wearing that. The second piece that I have, I told you guys about this other linen pants. This is also a size large. And these were actually on sale. The original price on these cargo pants that I'm going to show you is actually one more cargo pants. The original price on those were $49.95. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's $49.95. But they were actually on sale for $19.99. So this one is super cute. And one thing I like about this one, it has the slit on the side. So I can actually wear this right now. I'm almost more than certain I can, because it does have the slits on the side. It does kind of give you some space to move around in it. So this one is super cute, and it also has the drawstring on it. Unlike the other one, it does not have cuffs at the bottom, but it kind of has like a V shape at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. It has like a V shape at the bottom, and it does have drawstrings on it, so that should be cute. And the next few pieces I have are some tank tops that I bought. Have different colors here. The first one is red, and all of these tank tops, the original prices on these are $12, but I purchased these for $5. They do have stretch to them, as you can see. stretchy. It's just regular tank tops, but I like the straps because I don't like them super big and I don't like them super tiny either. So that's gonna be kind of cute. The red one. Now that red tanky, that can go good with that. Actually, all the cargos that I bought, it would actually go good with all those. The leopard print, the white pants, as well as the cargo that I'm gonna show you guys in a second. It's the same. The next item is the same tanky, but it's in white. This is a white tanky, same thing. You see, it's the regular strap. It's not too skinny, not too big. And that was also $5. And this one, same thing, just different color. This is actually a Brewster blue. At first I thought it was like a baby blue, but it's a little bit darker than a regular baby blue. So that's super cute color. I like that. Same thing. And all of these tankies are in a large. The next one I have is another cargo pants. It's just like the leopard print that I have, but it's in, they call this a what's this color? They call this color black cross. It's almost like a denim black, but it has the pockets on the side. One thing I did notice about this, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's kind of have like a see-through vibe to it. So I don't know if I can, when I wear this, I'm probably gonna have to just go with some thongs, because I do not want my panties printed showing on while I'm wearing these. And this also have the cuffs at the bottom. So one thing I do have to say though, with me losing weight, for some reason I always lose weight in the bottom of my legs first. So hopefully when I put these cuffs on, it's not like some of the items that I have here. I do have a lot of cuff joggers, and for some reason it's always like falling down because my legs are so skinny at the bottom, but it's all good. This is actually a large too, and it was the same price, the $49.95, and it's super cute with the cargo on the side. And last but certainly not least, I have this a beautiful dress. It's a wrap dress. It's actually like a multicolor print. You have to buy some more dresses to wear to church during the summertime. Although I haven't been to church in a minute, but I do plan to start going back soon. So this is the dress. I don't know if you guys can see it. It has like the ruche sleeves. But, oops, what am I doing? Okay, so it's like a wrap dress. I don't know if you guys can get the concept of it, but it is a wrap dress with the ruche sleeve. And I'll have the pictures on these as well so you guys can see it. And it actually comes like a little bit below my knee. So this is super cute. And this was $59.95. This was on sale. This was actually on sale for $19.99 as well, $20. So this is super cute, and it's really light. So I'm looking forward to wearing this as well. But yeah, that's pretty much all from that haul. I do have some more hauls coming this week, but since this is a busy week for me, it's probably gonna be next week before I'm posting. And as promised, I'm gonna show you guys my shoe collection and my nails and all that good stuff. So just make sure you guys continue to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so you are aware when I do post new videos. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I can't say that enough. It's free. Get shared with your friends. That's free. And that's pretty much it for this video. Go ahead and thumbs up, like, comment, share with your friends, all that good stuff. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And always remember to be awesome and do awesome things. It's your girl Slay LT, and check out those other videos below. You guys have an awesome day. Talk to you later. Bye.